Hi, it's Chris, and in this video we're going to show you how to replace the lower spray arm in your dishwasher. It's a very easy job and it does not require any special tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the first thing we're going to do is just open the door of the dishwasher, pull out our lower rack, set it to one side. Now all we need to do is just take a good grip on that lower spray arm and just pull straight up and take it out. And out it comes, and that's how easy it is to remove the lower spray arm. Your new spray arm, just bring it back into place, push it down into the tower and press firmly till you hear that snap. Everything rotates fine. And with the spray arm in there, we're just going to put our rack back in, close our door, and that's how easy it is to change the lower spray arm in your dishwasher.